Cosmetics, which is their Lolly Lips PH lipstick. I have got these in 2 shades. It has such a cool name to it. And some on my lips. बहुत cute सी पोटली है अंदर. I have no makeup on my face now. Let's see. Basic vanilla. I think that gives it out. Because mango है तो what can go wrong with mango? I hope I have pronounced everything correctly. अगर मुझे नहीं पता होता ये Brazilian brand है. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be trying and reviewing makeup, beauty and body care products that Instagram influenced me to buy. So let's get started with the video. My personal favorite, which is from Nykaa Cosmetics, which is their Lolly Lips PH lipstick. So they have it in 3 shades. This cherry candy जो मेरा personal favorite है out of all these 3. This actually looks like candy. It smells like heaven. It actually has that very subtle hint of that cherry का जो fragrance होती है वो, which is a great thing. I'll just swatch and then I'll show you guys कि exactly इसका shade क्या है. So basically you just apply them on your lips and then जो आपके body के pH levels हैं उसके साथ this shade blends in. This lipstick basically blends in and it gives you like a very beautiful shade of pink. So this is how it looks like. बहुत हल्का सा आप देखोगे तो वो एक pink का shade आया है. It takes time to give you that color because it is reacting basically with the pH levels of your skin, and थोड़ा time लगता है to give that proper shade of pink. Next up I have this. I'm very excited to try this, which is a blueberry twist. I think this is so pretty. I will just swatch it on my hand to tell you guys how it actually gives that very nice shade of pink. This is how the shade has turned out to be. I think I absolutely love this one. मतलब हल्का सा darkish pink की तरफ है as compared to the first shade. So I think I absolutely love this one. I have this very pretty lipstick in the shade Pink Pop Rocks. So this is again like a very typical pink that you can see. मतलब बिल्कुल ही pink है ये तो. I don't want to apply it on my left hand. I will apply it on my right hand to see. Because वो सारा एक में मैं अप्लाई करती जा रही हूँ, so it's not giving me like an exact idea of how the shade is. This is how it looks like. I don't know आपको कितना दिख रहा होगा, बहुत हल्का सा shade of pink है. I don't think it's visible on the camera. So it has a very light shade of pink to it. These two are my absolute favorites. So this is the first product which Instagram influenced me to buy and I think it is a huge success. I would highly recommend you guys to buy it. जो मुझे Instagram ने बहुत influence किया to buy, like I have been seeing it all over my Instagram and I have been seeing influencers, celebrities, content creators trying it and I was like I have to get my hands on this one. It's basically Super Stay Teddy Tint from Maybelline. I have got these in 2 shades and I think I absolutely love both of them. बहुत सारे shades available in the market, but I was like I want to try maybe एक थोड़ा सा reddish shade and एक मुझे pinkish try करना था. So I love using blushes and lipsticks. Like अगर आप सारे makeup products में बात करो तो मैं ये usually ये 2 ही makeup products use करती हूँ. Like I just apply बहुत light lipstick and at times मैं blush लगा लेती हूँ. But then the problem is I have to carry 2 things separately. But जब से ये आया है my problem I think will be solved because this is like a teddy tint which you can apply on your lips and then you can also apply on your cheeks. So this does the job for वो आपका पूरा face makeup हो जाता है with just one product, which is a great thing. So I have this in the shade 40 which is Petal Core. I will just apply and see if I like it on my cheeks and some on my lips. This blends in beautifully into my skin, which is a great thing because वरना वो यूजुअली क्या होता है, जब भी आप ब्लश अप्लाई करते हो तो इट जस्ट स्टिक्स ऑन दैट वन एरिया एंड वो ब्लेंड नहीं होता बहुत अच्छे से, विच गिव्स यू दैट वेरी लाइक बहुत अजीब सी लुक देता है. बट दिस ब्लेंड्स इन ब्यूटिफुली इन टू माई स्किन. I think I like it. This is so nice. It can also be applied as a lipstick, so I will just apply it to see how it looks on my lips. It is so nice and so soft. मतलब मेरे lips इतने soft और इतने nice feel कर रहे हैं. It has a very smooth texture to it, which is a great thing. I think I absolutely love this product. I think the shade is going to be my personal favorite. I absolutely love this one. It has given me the perfect amount of, you know, that blush on my face. I love it as a lipstick as well. I think this product is like a solid 10 on 10 from my side. I think definitely go and buy this. Next shade that I really want to try as well is this one, which is in the shade 120 Endgame. It has such a cool name to it. I'll try this shade now. I will just apply it on my right hand now because I really want to see the difference. Oh, this gives such a nice tint. Wow, I love it. This is so nice. I think I absolutely love this one. I think I would give this like a big fat thumbs up. I think this is like a very good recommendation जो मुझे Instagram ने करी, and I think I was rightly influenced to buy these products. Next product that actually the Instagram influenced me to buy, मतलब ये तो मुझे definitely like ये वो product है that I have been seeing all over my Instagram. And I have been seeing people praising it all over the internet so much that I was like मुझे personally try करना है. So this is this Bene tint from the brand Benefit. I have their rose tinted lip and cheek stain in the limited edition keepsake packaging. Basically, this very cute red box contains a custom wearable case and mirror. I'm super excited to open it. So this is how it is from the inside. एक बहुत cute सी पोटली है अंदर. Let's open the पोटली to see the beauty. This is the Bene tint from the brand Benefit, and it comes in this very cute little red pouch with this very cute charm attached to it. This is such a nice product. We have one more thing inside the pouch, which is a very beautiful chain. So basically this is like a chotu sa bag that you can carry whenever you go out. So this is how actually the bag is, and I can always carry it like a cross body on any outfit that I am wearing. I absolutely love this one. This is my absolute favorite. This is how the product looks in from the inside. Let's open it and see. There's a very cute mirror as well. I hope you guys can see. And this is the product that I have been waiting to try. So this is the Bene tint. It is so pretty. Everything about this product I think is so pretty. I really want to try it in front of you guys to give you like a very honest reaction. But before that, we have to wipe off our Maybelline lip tint. So I will just get rid of my Maybelline lip tint. I have no makeup on my face now. I will be giving like a very honest review of this Bene tint from Benefit. This is how it is from the inside. आप देखोगे तो it actually has that typical, जैसे अभी Maybelline का, you know, that wand in which the product comes in, and then you apply it on your cheeks and a little on your nose. So let's see. This has such a nice and such a watery texture, which is a great thing. It smells like rose water. Like, of course, उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है that this is in the rose shade and all of that. बिल्कुल वैसा ही fragrance है. This is highly pigmented. You can see my fingers. This is highly pigmented. But I think I like it. I think I actually like it. You can see the red tint that it has given to my face. It is so beautiful and so pretty. Now I will apply it on my lips to see if I actually like it as a lipstick. I love it as a blush. It is a pass. I think I like it. So pretty. It has given a very natural shade of red to my lips. I think I absolutely love this one. I think I would give this like a solid 100 on 10. I think I absolutely love this one. This is so cute. We have to now move on. Now I have to stop, praising this product. I have to move on. So now I have some very pretty body care products. So basically in terms of body care products, जो प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे दिख रहे थे रिलेटिंग टू बॉडी केयर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट वर परफ्यूम्स एंड मिस्ट्स. So I have got my hands on very cute and very pretty perfumes and body mists. I've been seeing especially Bella Vita ke these two perfumes all over my Instagram, which are from their gourmet collection. So I have these two today with me to review. So the first one is this very basic vanilla fragrance, which is from their gourmet collection. I think I absolutely love the packaging. It says that smell like a snack. And so first we'll review this one. So this is how the bottle looks like. It has a very premium packaging. I absolutely love that. Let's see if I like the fragrance. It smells, wow, it actually smells like, it does not smell like basic vanilla. I think that gives it out. It does not give you that very basic vanilla fragrance, but it definitely has vanilla mixed with something that gives a very nice fragrance. I think I actually have to check out the ingredients. Okay, I can't make out, of course, from the ingredients because it is too much science for me. But I think I absolutely love this one. If you haven't ever tried Bella Vita ka from the gourmet collection, like this is, I think, a very new collection that they have introduced. Please try the vanilla fragranced scent. I think you will absolutely love this one. Plus, these are very long lasting. Trust me, these are very long lasting. Next product that I am very excited to try, matlab this I specially ordered because iska, like, the name of the fragrance is mango, and I was like, I really want to try mango fragrance ka perfume. I haven't ever tried mango fragranced perfumes, if I may call it. So it's, again, it says smell like a snack. The packaging is so nice. It's so premium. I think if I talk about the price, this costed me 800 rupees. I think, which is not a bad deal, because आजकल के time में the perfume market is like has a blown, and it is, like बहुत ज़्यादा expand कर गई है perfume market, and उसमें you get very expensive perfumes which are not long lasting. So I think I have found my perfume which is quite affordable, I would say, and it smells and it lasts for an entire day. I have this in the mango fragrance from the gourmet collection. I'm super excited to try this one. I think I will like it because mango hai, to what can go wrong with mango? This actually smells like mango. I love it. I think vanilla and mango, I think they have a very close competition. I think I'll have to choose, like, वो fragrance of the day जो होता है वो मुझे choose करना पड़ेगा between the two, because I can't pick one. I think one day I'll apply this, the other day I'll apply vanilla. I think I absolutely love this one. This is again a pass from my end. I think I absolutely love this one. This is again one of those products जो मुझे बिल्कुल rightly Instagram में influence किया to buy. Product for today that Instagram influenced me to buy is this very cute bottle of perfume mist from Sol de Janeiro. So I have this in the fragrance of Brazilian Crush 62 pistachio and salted caramel. I hope I have pronounced everything correctly. Let's see how I like it. It has a very nice fragrance. It has a very international fragrance to it. Like I can say, like, अगर मुझे नहीं पता होता ये Brazilian brand है and ये international brand है, तो भी I think मैं यही बोलती. It has a very international fragrance to it, which is a great thing. I think I like it. It's nice. Like it has a very subtle fragrance to it. मतलब आपको एकदम ऐसे वो सिर पे चढ़ने वाली fragrance नहीं है. I think again I would give this like a thumbs up. एटलीस्ट मुझे ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके तो ये लग रहा है कि मुझे इंस्टाग्राम इन अ वेरी राइट वे इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है. आई थिंक आई लव ऑल ऑफ देम. आई वुड हाईली रेकमेंड यू गाइज टू प्लीज़ बाय देम एंड ट्राई देम. प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो इफ़ यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. अगर आप में से किसी ने भी इनमें से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करा है सो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो. ऑल्सो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो कि आपको वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा लगा. प्लीज़ गो एंड बाय दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. आई थिंक आई लव ऑल ऑफ देम. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रिव्यू करने में. लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब. कीप scrolling on Instagram. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep buying makeup and enjoy yourselves. Till then, bye bye. Love you.